Here are the 6 things that your landing page needs to have if you want to make money and want to take your marketing to the next level. I'm going to show you each and everything with examples so that you can properly understand this, and these things will apply to small promotions, big promotions, Google Sites landing page, ClickFunnels landing page, any landing page or bridge page you are making. These 6 points need to be there if you want to start making money. The first and the most important thing is, what is your value proposition? Why should people read through the landing page? Why should people stick on the landing page? Why? What is the value people are getting? Let me give you an example. Let's say I am over here on a Google Sites landing page. You can use these principles on any landing page you are creating anywhere. For example, let's say we have a product called TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is basically a tool that helps YouTubers analyze their traffic and competition and all of these things. So for example, let's say we are promoting TubeBuddy, and if we just write over here TubeBuddy review, or what is TubeBuddy, or why should you buy TubeBuddy? So is that looking good? Or if we change the title to how to increase your views by 10x using TubeBuddy, can TubeBuddy 10x your YouTube views? Does TubeBuddy actually increase your audience retention? So why are people using TubeBuddy? Because they want to get more views, they want to get more audience retention, they want to grow on YouTube. So use those things in your title. Does TubeBuddy actually help in increasing subscribers? Learn how TubeBuddy helps in increasing subscribers. So you are telling the people that what is the value proposition, that you are going to get increased followers, increased views, increased subscribers, increased audience retention, XYZ, whatever is related to the product. Then after that, you can provide more things, more details that I will talk about, what all things should be in a landing page. But the first thing is a value proposition. You need to tell the people that why are they over here. And let me give you another example. Let's say the health and fitness niche is very, very popular. So a basic title can be how to lose weight, or tips to lose weight, or lose weight fast. This can be the title that a very common average person would write on their landing page. But does this actually click with the audience? No. How can we change this? By providing a value proposition. Can you lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks? Learn how. Learn how John lost 10 kgs in 2 weeks. This is all related to why people are over here. So give them that in your title. Give them the value proposition, that why are they here. They are here to lose 10 pounds of fat in just 2 weeks. They are here to get beach body in just 1 month. They are here to get increased views, subscribers with TubeBuddy, etc. Whatever is your product about, whatever problem your product is solving, losing weight, getting more views, XYZ, mention that in your title, because that is the value of the product that you are explaining. Will you get this value from the product? How to get this value from the product? Then they will read through the landing page, and this will hook the people in. Moving on to the second point, that is visuals. Your landing page should be appealing. Just look at the Google sites over here. The same plain background, just white text. It doesn't look appealing. You can do some minor changes to make it look more appealing, that is through visuals. Pictures, images, some videos, some GIFs, some animations, whatever you can find on the internet regarding your product, regarding your niche. For example, for changing the background over here, you can just click over here on change image and change this to something related to your product. If it is a health and fitness product, just search for that on Google, and you can see that you can paste this image in the background, or this image that is all fruits and all. So this is one thing that you can do. Let's say we are promoting TubeBuddy. If you just go to the pricing plan over here, you can just take a screenshot of this and paste this in your landing page and explain the pricing in the pricing section. Then any other images regarding the product. So I've just searched over here for TubeBuddy results, and you can see this is the image of TubeBuddy, that how it looks in the inside. This is all the analytics. So you can make a point about, you will get detailed analysis. That can be your point, explaining the features. Then you can paste this image so that people can understand this, that this is how the features will look like, this is how the analysis will look like. The whole point being that don't just have a block of text, put some videos, images, and make it look more attractive. This takes me to my third point, that is mention the benefits, the features very crystal clearly. Click over here on the text box and just write features of the product, benefits of the product, why you should buy the product, whatever different things you want to put, and then put all those features one by one. You will get this, you will get that, and explain that, put visuals, all these different things. For example, if I just take you to my website, you can just scroll down below and you can see here's what you get. You are going to get step-by-step training, no other investment needed. I teach all free methods. You're going to get 8 special methods, lifetime access, private sessions, group sessions, WhatsApp support, XYZ, many different things. So it is properly, clearly mentioned. By the way, if you want to get personally trained by me and want to take benefit of all these different advantages, 8 special methods I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach 100% free methods. Private sessions will be there. Lifetime access to training videos will be there. WhatsApp support will be provided. If you want to get all of this, you can check out my website from the first link in the description box. If you want to get personally trained by me, my students are absolutely crushing it. You will find plenty of student results on the website. Then the fourth point that is very critical nowadays, because there is so much stuff online, that is proper testimonials, proper results from your product. For example, if you come on TubeBuddy, scroll down below, you can see trusted by leading creators. You can just click a screenshot of this and paste this in your testimonials section. Then you can just search for TubeBuddy reviews, TubeBuddy results as well. Go to the images over here and just take images, reviews, results and paste that on your landing page. Similarly, if you promote any product, health and fitness product, so before and after pictures. So result based things, testimonials are crucial. And the more testimonials you can provide, the better testimonials you can provide, it will create a very high converting landing page. The fifth thing that I see many people making mistakes with is the call to action, CTA, that what should the people do next? Once they have read the whole sales page, your landing page, now what should they do? You need to tell the people, because they will not automatically from themselves do anything. You need to guide the people through the process. So what I see people making mistakes is that they write the whole script, they write everything they want to do and they do everything, and then at the absolute end, they will just say, click here or get more details over here, and then they will just highlight this, click over here on this button and then place the link over here. That is fine, but firstly, the call to action is not that powerful that you're writing over here. Firstly, secondly, you're not writing that in enough places. What I like doing is, after writing a proper heading, I just give a brief introduction for the product and I try to involve some testimonials over here as well, like XYZ is a very good health and fitness product. It has XYZ ingredients that are 100% natural. John lost X amount of weight in 10 days. Then once I've written one paragraph of a introduction, of a summary with testimonials, with some features, one line features and all these things, after that I write in big and bold. I just scroll down below, I take a button like this and I place a very good call to action, like learn how you can do the same, learn how to lose weight, click here to get started now. And then you can place the link of your product over here, your affiliate link. Once you do that, click on insert over here and just make it big and just drag it in the middle just after the introduction. That is what I like doing, because just after the initial part there should be a call to action like a button, so that if anybody is super interested, they can straight away click on the product. Once I do this, then again the same thing, I will write the features, testimonials, all the different things in a proper way, and then at the end I will provide this again. Also in the middle, if there is some space, if there is some place, I will provide it again. So 2 to 3 times you need to provide your call to action in a proper manner. Then the sixth thing that will affect the conversions of your landing page is the quality of the traffic you send over here. You can't just send anybody on the landing page and expect them to buy the product. Obviously, that will not happen until and unless your audience is interested in the product you are selling. They are interested in the problem that the product is solving. If they want the solution, that is the only way of getting sales. That solve people's problem. I have made multiple videos on how you can get super targeted traffic for particular niches. There are plenty of videos available on my YouTube. You can click over here on this video and you can start the process of making money online in a step-by-step manner. I've explained each and everything, the traffic source, landing page, everything. So just watch that video.